So, hi Rashmi, how are you?
Hi, Rupali. I'm very well.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yes, so you know what? Today I just want to ask you a couple of questions so that to understand your journey. Correct? Simple things, whatever you have experienced, I want to understand that only. Okay. So, firstly, I want to understand why did you really say yes to this journey? What was really happening in your life?
So a lot of roadblocks and mostly in career and personal life and like my patterns that I needed to break, and those patterns I felt were a roadblock in my life. And I had gone through a lot of counseling sessions and therapy sessions and whatnot, but what I felt there was that it will take a lot of time
Mm-hmm.
and nothing is coming out of it. Like there's no, I'm just talking, but I'm not gaining perspective and I don't have the tools to deal with what I'm feeling. I was off all of these things. And then my friend did this workshop, these sessions with you, and she was like, you must try this once. I was very hesitant, to be honest, in the beginning. I was like, okay, another session, another program that I have to enroll into. I was very hesitant, but then I was like, okay, like my friend had seen results. So I was like, okay, let me. So I came with no expectations. And I think from day one, I could see the difference. I could see that, somebody's there understanding what my situation really is and giving me the tools to deal with it. From when I came to where I am right now, there's a
Mm-hmm.
huge difference. And also, by the way, I did this session with you twice, the 8 week
Yes.
program with you twice, because
Yeah.
I felt that, it is going to help me in the long run. And I'm glad that I did it. And I'm planning to do the 21-day again. Um,
Lovely.
I joined in October 2025, and I feel that most of the issues and most of the blockages in my life, those the blockages that were internal,
Yeah.
uh, I don't see them anymore. I don't see them as prominent as they were.
Yeah.
And I feel that I'm more grateful to things. In fact, I'm thankful for everything that's happening, even the bad things that are happening. And I'm really thanking God every minute of life. And that probably is something that was my biggest takeaway from your sessions, that you have to be grateful. And I can see the changes that it has brought into my life. Another thing was the fire ritual. I think I'm very regular with it. These two things I think I really.
I also want to understand what was really happening in your life before and how you were getting triggered because you mentioned about blocks. So, what were the specific blocks that you were experiencing?
A lot of confidence issues,
Yeah,
self-worth
yeah,
issues, self-esteem. We've spoken about it. And I feel that those were not problems of today, like
yeah,
the present. It was
yeah,
coming from my childhood. It
yeah.
was coming from something, the patterns that I developed then.
Okay.
And I didn't realize it. When we started doing the meditation, the inner child healing and going back to the child that we need.
Yeah.
I think those sort of release, that meditation kind of released all the blockages. For me, at least maximum amount of blockages, it kind of released for me. So yes, I don't feel like I'm less than anybody. I don't get that those thoughts anymore. So yeah.
It's so beautiful, just to hear your story. And I clearly remember how you were in like when you joined in the first sessions. And while we were actually talking on WhatsApp also, I noticed that you were a little bit hesitant only
Yes.
whether to join, not to join. But I
Yeah.
think you spoke to Suman, and afterwards you made a decision that okay, let me just go for it. Now I also want to understand like how your life is different now compared to back and.
So even when things are not working out,
Mhm.
um, I don't I don't feel like a victim. I don't feel like, oh, things are not working out for me. Oh
Yeah,
my God. No, I'm still very grateful. And I'm like, okay, if this is not working out, good. Something better is coming. So the mindset has changed. Uh,
correct.
if this is not working out, then there has to be a plan B. And I don't fuss about why things are not working out anymore.
Yeah.
Earlier, that used to be one of the issues that I used to face. That I would really sit with my problem and like really whine about it. And
Yeah.
now I don't feel that.
Lovely, lovely. Also, I want to understand how your thoughts and emotions have shifted.
I remember coming to your class the first few times and not smiling and not, and I think you pointed it out also. One day there was this huge smile, and then you said, Rashmi, today you're smiling. So, not smiling and feeling very down and out and low all the time, lethargic all the time.
Yeah, yeah,
And I understood that that energy is very low, and it's probably that's why I'm not able to pick myself up
yeah,
after those sessions and after activities or the homework that
yeah,
you used to give us.
yeah,
I saw a very, it wasn't a very drastic shift. It was a very slow shift.
yeah,
But in the 6 months that I've been a part of your courses, I feel that I'm not that person anymore. I don't feel lethargic, or I don't feel ki, oh, my life is like this, and no, I don't like that's how my emotions have shifted. Like most of the time, I'm grateful for where I am and what's happening in life.
So lovely. Can we just say that your ability to trust yourself has shifted?
Maybe yes, or just just the fact that some a divine is looking after us, and then I will be put on the right path. I am on the right path.
Yeah. So we can say actually you have started trusting the process of life.
Yes,
Is that correct?
completely. Yes.
Interesting. Interesting. So lovely to see your transformation. Is there anything else you would like to share that, okay, Rupali, maybe in relationship wise or maybe health wise, something shifted for you?
Yes. I'll talk about relationship.
Mhm.
I felt like a lot of expectations I used to have from
Mhm.
people around me,
Yeah.
and somewhere expectations when they don't meet, you don't feel very good.
Correct.
I don't have those expectations now. I'm able to rationalize my thoughts and my
Yeah.
emotions in a much more better way. I empathize with people, and I know if they're behaving a certain way, why they're behaving that way. So I'm able to rationalize those things. And I think that has been quite a big shift. My relationships have definitely improved. There are, of course, a few things that I need to still work upon.
Yes.
And I
Yes.
am still in the process. And as you said, that, it's not like a one-time thing. You have to keep doing it
Yeah.
throughout your life. And so that's, but this is, this is the maximum amount of change I've ever seen in myself after the sessions. Because previously, if I've taken some therapy sessions or any consultation, it might not have worked for me
Yeah.
to this extent. Yeah, I mean, I would just like to thank Suman and you for Suman Didi for getting me here, you for being so patient with me.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So lovely. So lovely. And again, thank you for sharing your experience so honestly, so beautifully. And I know that there are a couple of things we might have missed also because I remember that, you know what, because it's a long journey, correct? We have taken, and every week used to be some kind of shift. Like
Yeah.
correct, probably 1 week it was different, second week is was different, third week it was different. So what was the one prominent thing for you that, Rupali, this was something, no, this made me like think, or this made me really like, it was a wow moment for me?
Um, there's so many small wow moments for me. But I think, like I said, like the biggest takeaway has been the gratitude. Like when you spoke about gratitude,
Yeah,
I was like, why am I crying? Why am I upset about things? Because things are already working out for me.
yeah,
I am protected. And
yeah,
those affirmations and everything. So I can't pinpoint that one. In fact, I can. Inner child healing, when we used to go back to the version of ourselves that
yeah,
um, and meet the younger version.
yeah.
I think that was very liberating for me.
Okay.
Talking to my younger version
Yeah,
and feeling what they're feeling and holding their hand. I think that solved, I think, most of it for me.
yeah,
And then there was another thing, I think, the feeling, and then you make a shape of it in those
yeah,
guided meditations, and then
yeah,
you pull it out, the negative feeling, you pull it out and you put it in the fire.
yeah,
That also really helped me. I don't get those feelings anymore. They've vanished, and I don't really need to think about it. Even in one of the meditations we did, and it was a very very prominent one and very helpful for me, where you made us delete the old bad memories.
Yeah, yeah,
And I don't remember those memories. Even if I remember them, there is no emotion attached to them.
yeah.
And that's like the biggest win for me. So even now when I get
Mhm.
even now when I get these feelings, I
Yeah.
go back to those meditations and I do them and I feel like, I'm on the right path.
So lovely, so lovely, so lovely. And you know what? I really just want to one ask like small question here that if you had not taken this journey, how your life would be.
Would have been the same. Would have been the same as it was last year.
And now you're completely like shifted.
Yes. The thought
Complete.
process has shifted. I don't feel things so intensely.
Yeah,
Even if I do, I'm able to rationalize them. Also there's less internal struggle.
yeah,
Like that that for me is a big win. Initially I used to feel emotions and I used to be overwhelmed. I don't feel that anymore. Like I'm more stable and consistent. And when there's less internal struggle and when there's less like those peak emotions that you're feeling, you
yeah.
are in a much better headspace. So I think that's what is for me right now. But if I had not taken these sessions, I would have been the same, feeling the same, not working on my patterns, nothing, not even realizing what my patterns are or what my issues are. So these sessions really helped me acknowledge and accept that, okay, these are the things that are going on. These are the issues that I need to really work on. And yeah, I mean, for people also, I'd like to say that, we skip taking these healing sessions, but I feel that everybody needs healing. Everybody needs to heal a part of themselves, and everybody should do it.
So that is just so beautiful. So you know what? If you say right now only you said that you know what everybody should take these sessions. Why you said that? Like everybody should take it. What are you?
Because I feel that people don't want to confront what they're feeling.
Yeah,
Like those feelings are very heavy when they come to the surface. And they make you think about a lot of things happening. They make you think about a lot of things that you are doing consciously, unconsciously. And that's not a very comfortable space. That's a very heavy space to be in. And it can be suffocating also to an extent. But that's the point where, healing begins. Where once you acknowledge it, once
yeah,
those feelings really come out, once you're able to identify, okay, this is what the problem is. And I don't think that, in fact, in front like around me also, there's so many. I do talk to so many people, but they're not ready to confront. But once you do that, I feel that your life is going to be so easy.
yeah,
A lot of times people cry in meditations. They feel a lot of emotions,
yeah.
and I think it's that it's a release. And a lot of people even switch off, that we're not able to do it. I couldn't do it beyond a certain point because it gets heavy, because it takes you deeper. But I feel that that's the start point of it all. Once you're on that journey, just continue, and because the end is really good. So yeah, I mean, everybody needs therapy. It's a general statement I made, but I feel that it's a good thing to know yourself, and if there are any shortcomings, just confronting them, accepting them, and learning to deal with them. So yeah.
So lovely. I mean, you have shared your experience in such a beautiful way, such a beautiful way. So thank you for sharing this. And is it okay for me to take this and share it on social media? Yes. Thank you for agreeing to do this.
But thank you so much, Rupali. Thank you for all your help and answering my questions on WhatsApp. So I remember putting up a lot of questions that I'm feeling this and I'm feeling that, and you've been very patiently, you've answered all of them all the time.
To be honest, no, I love when you have questions
Yeah.
because that actually kind of shows that okay, they're actually experiencing something because you get questions when you're experiencing something, when you're doing something. If you're not doing, then you are not getting questions. It just confirms that okay, they are on to the right path and they're integrating, they're implementing. So that really matters. So
There's one more thing I'd like to talk about.
okay.
Just one small thing. For the past 3-4 years, I was not able to make my vision board because I was like, नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, ये सब करने से कुछ नहीं होता. But this year I made one, and I made it. I was able to make one because of the healing journey that I've been on. I could feel certain things. I could feel that good can happen. So yeah.
So good. So happy for you actually. And I'm loving the way you're smiling. I can really see like shift in your overall personality. And this is what you know what when you shift internally, it shows up externally also. Like people also start noticing you. That I say it earlier, she used to be really not really caring about anybody, not invested anywhere. Now I see her, she's engaging herself because she feels confident. She feels confident about herself that okay, it's okay for me to express, it's okay for me to exist rather.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Is there anything else you want to share, or maybe last message to anybody who would be seeing this video, that why they should be joining this program, or anything last message you would like to say?
I did the course, I did these sessions twice,
Yeah.
but you should at least try once. Like that's what I would like to say because it's not just me that has that have seen changes. My friend also saw changes. A lot of people in the batch have also seen a lot of positive changes. I feel that we don't want to deal with these issues or problems later in the life. We want to deal with them right now.
Yeah.
We are facing them. And Rupali, I know will hold your hand through and through. And I know it's a beautiful journey. The healing journey is pretty beautiful. And yeah, I mean, and you will get the tools to deal with your issues or the problems or whatever challenges that you're facing. You will get the tools to deal with all of them. So yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.